Hello, good morning viewers. I am Saurabh, your English tutor. Today I will tell you some important things about contractions. Why I have shared with you some contractions and you can watch my video. Okay, so today I will tell you about contractions. So one thing that I want to tell about contraction is that if you want to become a fluent and if you want to show your effect on someone else, so you can use these type of contractions. And if you want to learn, first of all, if you want to learn that, you can watch English soap, you can say English based soaps, you can find out these type of contractions. Okay, there are a lot of actors and actresses are speaking this type of contractions. If you don't know about these things, so you can't understand that what they are saying. So that's why I have shared with you. So that was my motto behind this. So I want to tell you that learn it and practice if you are a beginner, so make daily sentences on it and practice at your home. And by making your daily sentences related to your tenses, so you can make it and express your things in front of anyone else, so you can add these type of contraction, because by using these contraction your way of speaking will become different. So that's why I have shared with you, so you can add it. And I want to tell you one more thing, that if you are beginner, and avoid those people who are saying you are not improving and lot of things about you. So let them say and do your thing, whatever you want to do, and let them say one thing, that let them say whatever you want to do just do, because you have to do, they can't do for you. Okay, because you have to do for yourself. That's why I want to tell you that. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I will share with you some more important thing in the future. So thank you very much.